Types of technological determinism. Dear students, in the last lecture, we studied about the arguments of the technological determinism, and now we are going to study the types of technological determinism. There are two types of technological determinism: hard technological determinism and soft technological determinism. Hard technological determinism is the extreme stance that a particular communication technology is either a sufficient condition determining social organization and development, or at least a necessary condition requiring additional preconditions. ये जो हार्ड टेक्नोलॉजिकल डिटर्मिनिज्म है, अ, ये समझता है कि कोई भी जो कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी है वो सोली इसमें इतनी कैपेसिटी होती है कि वो आपको ये जो सोसाइटी है उसको चेंज कर सकती है, और उसका जो यूज़र है वो उसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है। और उसका दूसरा जो स्टांस वो ये है कि एटलीस्ट ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी है ये अदर प्री कंडीशंस के साथ जो है चेंज ला सकती है। अगर किसी सोसाइटी में स्पेस हो तो ये उस सोसाइटी को चेंज कर सकती है। In comparison with the hard technological determinism, soft technological determinism claims that the presence of a particular communication technology is an enabling or facilitating factor, leading to potential opportunities which may or may not have been taken up in particular societies or periods. So, this perspective, soft technological determinism, view technology as an enabler, as a facilitator, not as a driver of a social change or driver of a cultural change. To them, the proponents of this perspective of the soft technological determinism, they view it as a enabler or as a facilitator, not as a driver or driving force of the change.